Hi guys, Carlos here. I'm so excited to show you how to approach your SAT with confidence. The SAT is not your traditional school test. The SAT is a test of reason. And in order to knock your SAT score out of the park, you would need the right mix of knowledge and skill. That said, let's go ahead and get started. Remember, practice makes perfect. So the College Board has made available to you 8 practice tests. So go to the College Board website and start there. And here you have them. So I'll go ahead and start with test number 1. You can find everything you need straight from the College Board website, but at this time I'm just going to open test number 1. Here we go. So what do you need in order to succeed in both your English and reading sections? Simple. You have to familiarize yourself with the passage types and answer the easy questions first. Like this one, question 9 and 10. Question 9 says, why does Akira say his meeting with Che is a matter of urgency? But before answering that question, I noticed that question number 10 tells me which choice provides the best evidence for the answer to the previous question. That means that questions 9 and 10 should be treated as one. So these are the type of questions that you would want to tackle first. So again, don't follow the order that has been set by the College Board. If you want to score above average, you have to find your own way. Alright, section number 3. Let's do some math. Look at question number, find your beautiful one, look at that. Question number 7. Most people, when they see fractions and multiple variables, they tend to panic. But here is the catch. If the question seems harder than usual, it's because the actual question is easy. They just have to make it look hard. And that's why we're going to tackle question number 7. So, the question reads, the formula above, blah, 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 blah. The truth is, we don't need to read everything. I will recommend that you start and you get in the habit of reading the actual question first. In this example, which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? In other words, they're asking me to solve for P. So how are we going to do this? If I look at it carefully, I notice that everything on the top, right here, is what we call a numerator. And everything in the bottom would be my denominator. That's right. This takes me back to fractions. Numerator on top, denominator at the bottom. So if I now rewrite, or I think of it as a group, I know that M equals N for numerator over D for denominator, and I'm going to multiply this times P. All that I'm doing is grouping that big mess. Now I have a simpler equation. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides by D, because remember, your goal is to solve for P, and P is right here. So if I multiply both sides by D, now I will start simplifying and noticing that D times M equals NP. And now all that I have to do is divide both sides by N. So I divide both sides by N to isolate P. And now I can isolate P and say that P equals what used to be my denominator, D, times M over N, which used to be my numerator. If you look at your answer choices, here is P, here is M, I just need my denominator on top. So what used to be my denominator has to be now on top. And the answer is B. And that's it. All right, let's give you one last question. For example, Oh, question number 8 is beautiful. Let's do question number 8. What is the value of 4b over a if a over b equals 2? Well, so what I'm going to do is, if a over b equals 2, and I think of 2 as a fraction, I can, from elementary school, I can write 2 as a fraction by placing it over 1, because 2 over 1 is 2. So now I can see that a equals 2, and I could say that b equals 1. So at this point, all that I have to do is plug those in. 4 times 1 over 2. So 4b over a is 4 over 2, or just 2. And there you have it. Hope you had a lot of fun. And if you're truly serious about boosting your SAT score, I have a gift for you. Click below to sign up to my 13-tip mini course. And if you would like even faster results and a score that speaks for itself, don't forget to join our study group. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.